Hello everyone, welcome to the Cloud Network channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10 in VirtualBox. VirtualBox I'm using 6.1, latest version is there. If I go to VirtualBox about, you can see the 6.1.16 is the version which I'm using, and in that I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10. For downloading ISO image, here is the Microsoft original website, officially website. There you need to download this ISO image file. Okay, so just open this ISO image file and website, sorry, you need to just open the website. You can say begin, so select the edition Windows 10 and showing the May 2020 update is the latest one. So it has that on that the last update release. So select the language here, then confirm it. Select the version 32-bit or 64-bit and then wait for a few minutes. It will be start installation. From media tool creation also you can download. When you search on Google, like you need to just search media creation tool. On the screen you can see, just download it and install. So the size is 4.9 GB, which I have already downloaded. So let's see. So from this one also you can download and install this one. Okay, or you can make installation ISO image you can make, or also you can directly install through a pen drive also ISO image. So let's open this one. After downloading the ISO image, go to the new, then VirtualBox. In the channel you can find about the installation of VirtualBox also. Okay, and the link you can find below to my description box about that one. To type Windows 10 here, select your 64-bit or 32-bit version. If you are not getting 64-bit option, means you need to enable virtualization VTX from your BIOS. Okay, just you need to enable VTX. After that you will get these options. This is a location where is my going to be stored in my system, like in laptop or desktop server, wherever you're installing it will be stored there. So I'm changing the location. If you want to keep, you can keep default. So I'm just keeping my default location is for all the here is there. So just copying and pasting here. Okay, so next, assigning the RAM, you need to give right to the green point. Whatever the green color you are seeing, you need to get inside the green point. You need to do not go to orange or red. Okay, and then I'm giving this 6 GB RAM is enough for that one. So 2 GB is minimum requirement for that one for installation. And your hard disk, this is a hard disk size, so I'm giving 50 GB is enough for me. I'll give 100 GB. Okay, so out of 2 TB you can give the size according to your purpose, the hard disk you have. Okay, so click on create now. Go to settings here. You need to click on system, uncheck floppy, then click on storage, click on empty, then you need to click on this, choose virtual disk optimization. That means where the ISO image is there, Windows 10. So here is my Windows ISO image there. This is 7 GB, this is 5 GB, which this is the 1909, the latest one. I will take it. Okay, so and then click the choose, and then go to network, select bridge adapter for internet access. Okay, then click OK, then click on start now. So it will be start in few minutes. As you can see, it's buffering here. Okay, and let me tell you, if you are installing on completely on your laptop or the desktop or server, means before that one you need to take a backup of your data. So this is I'm installing in VirtualBox. If you are completely installing formatting like that, means you need to just take the backup of your data. Click install now. So little bit it takes some time to come up, and the version I've told you it's 1909 is the latest one only. So I don't have any key here. If you have a key, you can insert it. Select the favors, this additions. Okay, so I'm selecting Pro for this. Okay, you can select anyone which you would like to use for the installation. Okay, for Workstation Pro also you can use this one. And Pro means professional. Okay, so for that one you can use anyone. Accept lesson, next, and go to upgrade means if you are using Windows 6 directly you can upgrade. Custom installation allow means select and manually partition you need to give. Okay, so just click apply here. Okay, so here is the main part of this installation. Okay, why I'm not giving any separate partition, because this is just fresh new installation. That's why I don't want any extra partitions. You can give if you want to give another drive partition then also. Okay, you can give the size according to that one, divide the size and give the another partition also. Okay, click on next. So here it will takes around 20 minutes or 15 minutes to complete our installation, depend on internet activity and on the hardware of your specification you have for the installation. Okay, so like I said, I was telling that during the main part of the installation is Windows 10 is data. So before you are continuing, just take a back of your data. If you have free newly hardware specification, newly system is there, you don't need to worry, just proceed the installation. Okay, if you have a data means just take a backup of data, then do it. Okay, so let's wait a few minutes until it gets the installations and completed. So it's finishing up. Like I said, 15-20 minutes has been taken. After restart it will be asked for this few procedures will go setup in, like procedure will come, that I will show you once get it restart. Let's check, see it's restarting now. Getting ready, so we need to just wait for minutes. When you click from the keyboard or the mouse inside the VirtualBox and you want to come out of from this VirtualBox, just press right control key. So I'm again telling you, just press right control key, so it will be come out of from the VirtualBox. You can see this is a method for that one to come out of. So this is taking a little bit time. This region which you have belong, I'm going to select India. Okay, click and press I. It's not selected manually, you need to scroll up. Here is India. Okay, next. Yes, okay, just a moment. Then select keyboard layout, skip. And purpose, select that one and click on next. So here let's add the account. Okay, so or create an account, like you can use, or else offline account also will come here. So you can use like insert email address and like that, and if you want to go back means just click here, go back, like this. So this is the online account. Okay, for offline purpose, here is offline account is there, just click on that. That means without internet, no need of online accounts, that's the online account. So offline account is simply we use directly login with internet or without internet, will be able to log in and use the Windows 10. Get it now. Limited experience also we can click here, limited experience. So just here is I'm giving the name here, Scout Network. In place of Cloud Network you can give any name here. Okay, and then click on next. The password, please give a strong password for the installation, and you can skip the password also by not giving the password, that is also work. So 3 security question we need to answer here. What is the city name? Bern. Okay, let me hide. I have answered it and selected. After that, yes, accept, and then wait. full accept. Just we need to turn on the system. Clicking now the device access, so you can see welcome to Windows. So this is about the okay, and here if I click on about, that will show us which version I have installed or what is the configuration has been used. So for the full screen also there is option here, you can make full screen resolution by going to the this will make a full screen resolution if you select virtual screen, so it will be available for your full screen resolution. Okay, so here one second, now it's yeah, this is Windows 10 Pro 1909 and version which is you can see install on today date. So if you have any problem you can comment below to my video. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to Cloud Network channel.